Welcome back to Texas, everybody. In this video, we're going to be going over what the dark web is, how to get on it, how to download it, and all that good stuff. So, first thing you're going to want to do is download the Tor browser, which is what you use to get onto the dark web. It is easily downloaded. Just search Tor browser on Google. Go down to download Tor-Tor project. Wait for that to load and click this purple button right here. If it changes, it should look mostly the same. You have this Tor icon up here, the logo, and if you scroll down, it should say download over here. Click download, let it download, and down here, you'll click on the download. So when it's done, click on it, let it load up, and you're going to want to go through the normal download process. Just click next, 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 Say okay, install. I have mine installed, so I'm not going to click install. Click cancel. And now what we're going to want to do is simply go to Tor. So close that out. Click on Tor browser. It should be a folder that's on your desktop now. Make sure you click that option during installation. I should have said that, but if not, go to your search bar, search Tor. You should be able to find it. Now we're going to want to click Start Tor browser, and you'll be connected now to the dark web. So this is the main search engine that's used to get onto the dark web and to actually access these dark websites. So before I do that, I want to explain to you what it is. The dark web is a place where there's a lot of underground trading. Underground meaning illegal stuff going on, whether it's drugs you could buy, sex trafficking, tons of bad stuff, tons of good stuff as well. Well, not good, but stuff that has use, like hacking and exploits like that. There's a lot of hacking websites that show you, how to do exploits that aren't, public, like publicly taking people's credit card information exploits, but whether they're Xbox One hacks or how to, get this on your Xbox One, how to do JTags for your Xbox One, stuff like that. Also, how to overclock your PC, how to do different exploits to your computer at home. You don't always have to be doing something illegal when you're on here. A lot of it's, again, home hacker stuff. But again, there is drug trafficking. And I'll go over a lot of that drug trafficking stuff, these illegal blog websites, hitmen, hiring hitmen, and stuff like that once we get on here. So once this pops up, you're going to want to click connect. Don't worry about configure down here at the bottom. That's if you want to load up on a proxy server, but we're not going to be doing that on this tutorial. Just click connect, wait for this to load up. It might take a second, especially your first time getting onto it. But again, there's a lot of websites that you can go to. But once you want to when you get on here, you're not just going to be given all of that information. You're going to have to go to specific places to get that different information. So I'm going to show you guys where to go, what to type in, to be able to actually access those websites and search throughout the dark web. So let this load up here and we'll get straight to it. So when it loads up, the fastest way to get onto the a list of links throughout the dark web is to go to a place called Hidden Wiki, which was created, I think, like 3 or 4 years ago. It's been on there for a while, and you can go to Hidden Wiki, and it gives you these direct links to these websites that, again, are categorized depending on what you want to look for. So it's loading up now, and we'll go through that. So like I said, the first thing you're going to want to do when it pops up, I'm going to full screen it here, and we're going to type in Hidden Wiki. So HIDDEN WIKI, and click enter. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys I showed you guys how to download it, where to go, and showed you guys a little bit of what it is. But I'm not going to go over every website. I just want to show you guys how to get on it for this tutorial, and I'll have other videos on me actually going over the website. So once you search Hidden Wiki, what you're going to want to click on is the hidden wiki Wikipedia. It should be the third link down. And let that load up. It does load a little slow because it is not that perfect of a web browser. Again, it has a lot of flaws that are in it still, so actually, wait, you don't want to click this one, not the hidden wiki. It should be the one below this one. It should be, say, deep web links, I believe. So wait, we'll type this in again. Sorry about that. So hidden wiki, and then we're going to want to click on the one that says deep web links, if I remember correctly. So here it is, says right here, deep web links 2017. This is an updated list of the links for the dark web, and once you get on here again, they'll be categorized on what you click on. Don't click on anything that you don't want to click on, because it is, again, the deep web. It's real. It's not joke. A lot of it is real, so make sure that you're only clicking on things that you want to click on. So now that I'm here, you can see that there is created a list of categorized things. So we have search engines, we have financial services, where it says hacked PayPal accounts, anonymous Bitcoin wallets, commercial, where you can buy stuff, hire a hacker, find documents, fake documents, unlock smartphones. We have forums, where you can just talk about different things based on category, and then we can also keep going. It says hidden wiki drug links, hitman and escrow, darknet site links, game torrents, Bitcoin, money, PayPal links, weapons, gadgets. So we'll go ahead and click on one of these. Let's go up here to hire a hacker. So I said I wasn't going to go through actually going to click on one, but I'm going to go through one, I guess, just to show you guys that it is real. So basically, hire a hacker. It says experienced hacker offering services. Illegal hacking and social engineering is my business since I was 16 years old. Never had a real job, so I had time to get really good at hacking, and I made a good amount of money in the last 20 years. I've been working with other people before. I've worked with other people before. Now I'm offering my services for everybody with enough cash. So basically he's saying that if you can hire him, he'll basically do different hacks for you. And then down here it says what he does. It says what I'll do anything for money. If you want me to destroy some business or a person's life, I'll do it. Some examples: simply hacking something technically, causing a lot of technical trouble on websites, network disruptancies, which basically means that he can DDoS your site, shut sites down, get into their site, make them lose all of their information. Economic espionage, which means, take their money out of their bank accounts. Pretty serious stuff here. So basically, again, like I said, he has his prices down here. Small jobs for 250 euros. He also does Bitcoin, so a lot of these are Bitcoin transactions. A lot of the dark web stuff, because it is such a secure way of sending money. PayPal is linked, so with a Bitcoin wallet, if you have it anonymous, it's really easy to send money back and forth, and without it being tracked. So if you guys have any more questions or anything like that, you can post it in the comment section below. But basically, this guy's saying he'll hack anybody, ruin their website, ruin their life basically for at max, 900 euros. So there's a lot of things this guy will do, and especially on these other links, you'll find the same type of things. Some of them even get worse, as far as like hiring hitman to do specific things to people. But yeah, this is the deep web. and I'm going to have a tons of videos on it. And again, I'll have a different outlay the next time I do the video with my webcam. My webcam wasn't working correctly, so I couldn't put it on there. So in the next video, I'll have my webcam up in the corner, and it should be working properly. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, concerns, or anything like that, post in the comment section below. Other than that, thank you for watching. Have fun on the deep web, and I will see you next time.